How can micro breaks make your study sessions more effective? Imagine your brain as a busy city. When traffic flows smoothly, everything moves fast and efficiently. But if you keep the traffic lights green too long, congestion happens. That's what happens during long study sessions without breaks. Your focus drops and fatigue sets in. Now, what if I told you that tiny pauses, called micro breaks, can clear that traffic and keep everything moving smoothly? Micro breaks are short pauses you take during studying, usually lasting from a few seconds to a couple of minutes. They might seem small, but they can make a big difference in how well you learn and stay focused. When you take a micro break, your brain gets a chance to process what you just studied. It's like giving your mind a quick refresh button. During these breaks, your brain engages in neural replay, which means it reactivates the circuits used during studying. This process helps your brain store information better. Research shows that most learning actually happens during rest periods between practice sessions, not during the active study time. So, micro breaks help your brain consolidate new information faster. If you study nonstop, your body stays tense and your mind gets overwhelmed. Micro breaks break that cycle. They reduce physical tension and mental overload, which can boost your energy levels. Studies find that taking these short pauses can increase your focus and energy by up to 40%. That means you can study longer and more effectively. One common problem during long study sessions is performance decline in the middle. You might notice your concentration wanes or your mind feels foggy. Micro breaks prevent this decline by keeping your performance steady. Instead of a big break that makes you lose momentum, these tiny pauses keep your energy consistent. Research shows that micro breaks give you a stable advantage during the middle of your study session, helping you stay on top of your game. When it comes to timing, it's best to take micro breaks when you feel your focus slipping. Some studies suggest that even a break as short as 27 seconds can help you recover. Others recommend about 30 seconds every 40 minutes for computer work. A popular method is the 25-minute study, 5-minute break plan. But the key is to listen to your body. If you start feeling tired, take a micro break sooner rather than later. The activity you do during these breaks matters a lot. The best micro breaks are passive, meaning you step away from your study material. Avoid scrolling social media or multitasking during these moments. Instead, stand up, stretch, or look away from the screen. These activities allow your brain to process information better. Micro breaks are also a great tool for managing your energy throughout the day. When you plan these short pauses wisely, you can keep your motivation high and avoid burnout. If you're tired or distracted, micro breaks can recharge you without losing your momentum. To make the most of them, experiment with different durations and timings. Notice when your focus starts to dip and introduce a quick pause. The goal is to stop fatigue before it takes over. Remember, these tiny breaks are different from longer rests between study sessions. They work best when integrated into your active study time. By doing so, you work with your brain's natural learning rhythm. Incorporating micro breaks into your routine makes every minute of study more productive. It's like giving your brain a little boost just when it needs it most. So next time you sit down to study, think about adding those quick pauses. Your focus, energy, and memory will thank you.